Bonjour. Oui, oui. François. I've got my baguette. What's up, guys? Alex. Double Alex. What's going on, my friend? What's going on? Salute. We are here in the market. I don't know why I've got a French accent this morning, but I do. Oh, what's happening? What's happening, you guys? Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome to another wonderful Monday. And the markets are, what are they? Maybe open, maybe not. I don't know. We're gonna see today. My TikTok's broken. What's going on? Things are good, Stuart. Things are good. It's cold. It's cold inside. Yes, it's cold. I live close to the equator and I'm freezing, which is fine. I'm good with it. I'm good with it. This is my Russian hat. Yeah, what's happening? Welcome in. Yeah, we are ready to trade. Now, we're probably not going to get any good trades today. It's a bank holiday in the US. But that doesn't mean, vodka. Yeah, that doesn't mean that we might not still test some things. I don't know. Might be a quiet day, but I figured I'd at least fire up a stream. NQ's looking good. I mostly fire up a stream to come hang out with you guys. To be honest with you, you get to see you guys and hang out and chill and stuff like that. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah. How's your trading going? Thanks for the cheers. I appreciate that. Yeah. Alright, Gold, what are you doing here? There we go. Yeah, it's choppy AF today. But that's alright. I've traded bank holidays before and been fine. So, I at least like to show up. If we get nothing, if it's just too choppy, stock exchange is closed, whatever, right? Gold, though, is a global market. So, who knows what could happen. I'm at least here to see that. Yeah, glad to see you guys. See how many people show up today. Probably not. Maybe a few. Got some announcements I'd like to share with peeps. So we'll see who shows up. But for now, Stuart's here, Alex is here, double Alex is here. Appreciate you guys a ton. Hopefully we have some good trades and options this week. Starting to see some of those tickers come back to life. The ones that have been kind of dormant during December. It's nice. Alex, appreciate the daily heart me, my friend, and the daily live. I really wish TikTok would notify me when you send stuff. This platform sucks. Like, literally, I have to look inside the chat to see if something was sent. You did well today. Type 2s on NQ. 50 ticks. Nice. Got 4 of them. Dang, son. I like that. Yeah, I'm testing something new today. Well, not new today. Not new to me today. By the way, Alex, do me a favor. Something. I went back and rewatched TikTok. And holy crap, the music is so loud you can't hear anything. And I've got the volume, if you saw it on my side, the volume's basically at 0. But when I went back and watched it, it was like horrible. So what are you experiencing, Alex, on TikTok, if you don't mind me ask you that question? Because I don't know, maybe I'm just getting a bad replay, I don't know. But I'm really curious to know. It's good stuff. Live is good. Music's good on the live. That's the big thing. It live is good. Okay. It's so weird. Okay. All right. Maybe it's just the playback for me is trash. I don't know. I don't know. I like NQ here for a bearish movement. As you can see, it is been moving down and potentially close below this level. We'll see. Without that stock exchange push, that stock exchange volume, then I don't know. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. Welcome to the crew. It's Captain Pinkbeard. How's it going? Cali Mike, welcome to the crew. That's part of my grind this weekend. 5 seconds in front. Okay, cool. Welcome to the crew. Yeah, I did some work, my friends. I did some work on the channel. So now anytime an action happens, we're gonna get us a little surprise video. I had so much fun doing it, dude. Oh, I had so much fun with it. Oh, I can't wait to see how that goes. But yeah, welcome to the crew, Cali Mike. Good to have you in. Oh, that's funny. Yeah. The best part is the second part where I'm like, it's Captain Pinkbeard. How's it going? Dude, I can't tell you how much I was laughing this weekend putting that together. Every time I saw it, I was dying. I was dying. It's funny. I don't see Allison today. Where's my mod? Hope she's doing all right. Hope she's doing all right. Let's see. Jamin. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, you got it, Alex. You got it, my friend. So, hopefully, once I wait some more people to come in, and then I'll talk about. You guys remember me talking about a giveaway? I have the accounts in my hands. I have the giveaway accounts in my hands. So I'll talk about that a little bit here in a bit. Going to be doing account giveaways. Accounts. I gotta stop talking. This lady's singing. I think that's it. Okay. Yeah, what's happening in Q? Wow, what a drop. Look at that. Jeez, you see that? A gap down? Big gap right here. Big drop. Still dropping. Gold had it too. Oh yeah, that's right. I do remember that. Yeah, oh, it gapped up. Interesting. Oh, that's crazy. So weird when the market does that. Yeah, it's funny how it gaps up, it jumps up into this range, and then just moves sideways. It's like, okay. I can see you had specific intentions there, gold. Wonder if... I don't think the stock exchange is open. But I'm going to double check it. Market makers manipulate. Yeah, I threw the bacon strat on the screen there and it shut down the market. Yeah, that's probably what happened. Yeah, none of my options contracts are moving, so it's definitely closed. Yeah. Stupid bank holidays. I mean, I get it. I get the idea, but why can't I trade the markets because of a holiday? It doesn't make any sense. We're respecting this holiday, which is a good holiday, don't get me wrong, by not making money? Isn't that the American dream? Isn't the American dream to make money despite what happens to other people? It's terrible. I appreciate the cheers, the shout out, my friend. Oh, yeah, I like that. Thanks, Alex. It's Martin Luther King Jr. holiday. Celebration Day. Martin Luther King Jr. But I'm like, okay, you know, we only have a certain amount of days on this planet. I already have to wait through the weekends. And now you're taking away another day I can't trade. Hey! Whatever. I guess I can still trade. The market's still open. It's just there's no volume. Some things in life I don't understand. But you know what? It could be worse. And I'm alright with that. Our friend Shibby is going through a lot worse. Traded today, one of my best days. See, there you go, Stuart. Yeah, there you go. I've found that to be true for me too when I'll trade on a bank holiday. Yeah. And I've gotten good trades on bank holidays. Like Thanksgiving. I had a really good trade on Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving was a lot of fun. Christmas too. Or Christmas the day after Christmas. Yeah. Everybody was off and I was still trading. Might not be able to test my new strat today. I wanted to test out a breakout, fake out. And then there's a way I've been testing how I'm exiting that trade. Second mouse, yeah. There's no volume today. There's no New York Stock Exchange volume. By now it's like, right? It's already disappeared. And that's what I kind of banking on. It's not there. It's not there. I mean, it's starting to melt a little bit. We'll see. We'll see what it does. You have your TP at 50. Worked very nicely. Excellent. Was that on... Did you say you traded gold? Would you trade gold or did you trade NQ? Stuart. What's going on, Wall Street? Appreciate the like on the live, my friend. My TikTok is not... I can't hear anything on TikTok. TikTok is strangely not alerting me for anything. Appreciate the likes, Alex. Smashing them. Yeah, still trade on NQ. Okay. Yeah, I like what NQ's doing right now. We'll see. We'll see how it works. I'm bearish on NQ. Bearish on NQ. So we'll see. It's moved a lot of red, so it wouldn't be the best setup, but if it closes outside this support, we'll see what we can get. See if there's a opportunity. You hear everything? Okay, see, yeah, literally whenever you guys like the live or send a gift, nothing, I don't hear any of it. And I only have two screens, right? So right here I'm watching the stream, all the metrics. On this side I'm watching the market. And then I have to switch on this one between the market and TikTok for me to actually... But when I go to TikTok, then the charts freeze. It's a mess. You gonna have over 100 SL? Yeah. Okay. I have two eyes, yeah. See, this eye is watching that chart, and this eye is watching that one like this. Yeah. I use them independently, like a lizard alien. Right, Alex? Yeah. Look what I have waiting for me. Wife made homemade muffins. Smells like a little piece of heaven. Homemade muffins. Let's see what NQ is gonna do. If we get ourselves a nice retest at this level, I might take a sell. But so far, it's not doing that. So far, it's looking pretty terrible. How do I monitor my own live stream? That's what I need to figure out. On TikTok. How do I watch my own live stream? Looks like it created a bottom wick first. 'Tis interesting. Oh, I know. I have to switch profiles. That's doom. I have to switch accounts. That's it. There we go. Testing on the TikTok. Testing on the TikTok. It works. It works. Okay. So it's not too bad. I look pretty good. TikTok is watching TikTok is watching TikTok is watching TikTok is watching TikTok. Oh man. Should I give myself gifts? Should I gift on TikTok? I'm gonna, you know what, Alex? I'm gonna join you. You ready, dude? Woo, let's go. Probably gonna get banned for this. Ah! Let's see. You know how when I like lives, I do a 3-finger tap. Like my fingers are running. That's how I usually do it. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. Double tap. I'm having too much fun. Ban him. Yeah. I just contributed like 10 likes compared to yours. It's too funny. I'm having too much fun. I'm having too much fun. Interesting retest here. We'll see if it's worth anything. Kind of like it for a sell. What does it look like to the left? There's a little bit. There's a little bit of room. A little bit of room about. Yeah, we got a little bit of room. We can play around with NQ. If this puppy wants to flip, might take ourselves a little tradey trade. Let's see, about this level here. Oh, it takes forever. Why does it take forever? Come on. How many times do I have to click it? Come on. There we go. Jeez. I know, right? Yeah, there's a support right here. So if it, see this here? It's currently, the green line is there. If it flips red, below this support, I will grab a trade, and we'll probably do a 1-to-1 to about right here, because there's a level right here. Yeah, I think that'll be good. We'll see if it flips. Gotta flip though. Or we could do a second mouse strat. It's kind of doing the second mouse strat right now. But normally, yeah, there you go. But normally it's the volume. Might be a little too late for the second mouse strat. It's usually the volume that I'm looking for. And I still like it, but without that New York Stock Exchange fake out, breakout, that's kind of where it's at. It's at the New York Stock Exchange opening. Like, it's a very specific trade, right? Very specific. Be careful. Yeah, I've been faking out all day. Exactly. Yeah, for sure. Normally, I'd be going for this as a reversal trade, but without that stock exchange volume, without that stock exchange candle opening, I'm kind of missing out on what the core of the strategy is, if that makes sense. What is happening? Okay. That's a shame. Look at it go. Look at it go. It's gonna reverse back into the range. Well, I'm also skeptical on buying when it's bearish. See how it's bearish like this? This is an example of our second mouse strat. This reversal here. This happened in Asia. I tested it in Asia last night and it worked. Right here. Oh wait, no, that's not right. No, that's not right. This candle, this was a regular strat candle. Wow, come on. It had a nice little wick here, and then it flipped and reversed and melted. The retest here wasn't great, but it worked out. And then it did a nice reverse, right? And then it's been kind of poo ever since. This is what I'm testing. This is what I've been testing right here. See all these trades? I'll explain that. Basically what I'm testing here, and I probably won't get the opportunity to do it today, but you get in a bunch of contracts, like 20, right? It's a lot. However, you're only looking for a short move. And what you're doing is, as the candle is moving up in that direction, instead of waiting for it to hit a solid take profit, as the candle moves, you're shaving off contracts. You're closing a quarter, and then you're closing another quarter, and you're closing another quarter, and you keep doing that until you run out. And that basically is bagging profit as you go. Instead of just waiting, right, and it comes up and maybe it hits your take profit, maybe it doesn't, and then it comes back down and either comes to break even and knocks you out, or it goes into your stop loss and knocks you out. The idea is, as the candle is moving, you're scalping off contracts. As you can see here, I had 20, then I closed 5. Then I got a little bit more profit, I closed 5 more. Got a little bit more profit, I closed 5 more. That's what I'm testing out. An alternate way of closing contracts. Because I'll tell you what, I can't tell you how many times I've come back to break even. And I'm tired of it. So it's like, okay, what's a way that I can secure profits along the way. So I looked up this technique, and this technique is a real technique that other traders are using in the market. And so I watched a couple of videos on it. I'm like, all right, that's interesting. Let me try that. I don't know. I only tried it once or twice here. But I was able to, it worked. It worked. I just don't know. I need to really test it until it burns me. And then once it burns me, and then I need to realize, okay, here's what I need to understand. I don't really understand yet about how it can be detrimental. So that's what I'm working on right now. That's my strat. That's my new strat that I'm testing and working on. So we'll see. See how it goes. NQ, what are you doing? Wait a minute. Do I still have an order in here? Wait a minute. Yeah. Well, it definitely did a reversal here. Could have done the second mouse strat today. Shoot! I didn't think it would work because of NYSE, but again, I'm still testing that strategy too. So that's not a solid strat just yet. Still testing that out. But it looks like we had ourselves an opportunity for it. Huh. Yeah. Oops. Ah, showing behind the scenes. Come on, stop doing that. Thank you. Okay. Sick. Welcome to the crew. It's Captain Pinkbeard. How's it going? /dash. Welcome to the crew. Thanks for the sub. Oh, I'm never gonna get tired of that. Oh, I'm never gonna get tired of that. Heck yeah. It's so unexpected. It's so unexpected. There's more in there too. There's more in there. That's not the only one. They're hidden. They're hidden. You'll see them eventually. Yeah. Oh, it's so funny. There's a couple more in there. There's about 4 or 5 videos that where something happens and that triggers a behind the scenes video. It's good stuff. Yeah. Welcome to the key. Man, this reversal. Oh, I should have taken it. Should have taken it. Damn. That's a sick old reversal right there. Should have taken my second mouse strat. Yeah. I was thinking about it. And I just hesitated. Okay, I want to show you guys something. Got your 50. That's good, Stuart. That's good. Good stuff, man. Show you guys. I posted in the Disney. By the way, if you aren't already in the Discord, I'm sure you are. But there it is. There. Show you guys something real quick. Discord. So in the Discord, I have this conversation here. So I'm giving away 3 Bull and Ox 50K accounts.
I got picked up by a rugged band of buccaneers, and now I'm their bloody captain.
Chris, thank you for the 4. Let me. I appreciate it, my friend. I appreciate it. The Discord was in the way. Let me move the Discord. No, we got most of it though. Thank you, Chris. I appreciate it, dude. Yeah. Let me. I can actually replay that. Let me replay that. I'm gonna replay that one because we missed it. So let me replay it.
I fell off the ship. I got picked up by a rugged band of buccaneers, and now I'm their bloody captain.
Heck yeah. I appreciate it, Chris. I appreciate it, my friend. Thanks for the 4. You're awesome, dude. I appreciate it so much. Yeah. I thought that was a little bit more special to put in some videos there. Yeah, that live was insane. That was a little special to put in some of those videos there instead of just the standard whatever. What's going on, Zuma? Good to see you. But yeah, thank you for the 4, Chris. That was a good test. That was a good test. Yeah. So that's awesome, dude. I appreciate that so much. You're I gotta change up here. Your name is up there twice. I don't know if you noticed that.
Welcome to the crew. It's Captain Pinkbeard. How's it going?
Heck yeah, Iman Al Harwi. Welcome to the crew. Welcome in, welcome in. Yeah, you get a special little welcome to the crew for subbing. Thanks for the sub. That's sick, man. That's sick. Yeah, it's good stuff. I'm glad I'm getting to see it now live because the volume. I was a little worried about the volume because the volumes on those videos can be too quiet, but it seems like they're all right. Yeah, it worked. But yeah, I got your name up there, Chris, twice. I gotta fix that. I don't know if I can fix it. If you guys do participate in that, you can change. I can't change the name. So if do like what Chris did there and don't put your actual name. You know, put something an initial or something. Yeah. You have a twin? Yep, you have a twin. You have a twin, Chris. Yeah. That's what you get. That's what you get for being so generous, my friend. That's what you get. Yeah, dude. That's so good. Wonder if it works with kick. I don't know. I don't know. Iman Al-Harwi. I hope I said that name correctly. Any trades? No, not yet, Zuma. I think I had an opportunity here where I was looking at it as a potential reversal. But because I got this new strat called the second mouse gets the cheese strat. Basically, you have one candle that pushes on NQ at NYSE Open. Yeah, it might bounce. That's true. And it just pushes in one direction. And then typically the next candle reverses. And so I catch the second candle. But because it's a bank holiday today, there's no stock exchange candle, there's no stock exchange volume. I stood it down. But I might have been able to still catch it, you know. I don't know. I don't know what would have happened. Yeah, I would like a bit of a bounce here, or even a breakthrough would be not good because it's moved too far. It's moved from support basically, but a break through this level. I'd rather have a bounce and sell because it's overall bearish. I really don't want to buy NQ. I want to sell it. And gold is just dead. Gold is as flat as you can get. What's NQ look like on the 1 hour? Yeah, see, even on the 1 hour, the overall trend is bearish, but it does have this nice long wick here. Yeah, you rarely do type 2 anymore. I have smaller win rate, yeah. That's what you've been doing all day. Type 1's your A+. Nice. Excellent, man. Yeah, I like them both. I like the reversal better, personally. I have more fun with the reversal. And for some reason, I can spot it better. I can see it from across the room. You like to use on NQ? Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Let's see. How do I get back? 15-minute candle. Yeah, we'll see what we get today. Might not get much. Might be a shorter stream. I don't know. We'll see. I'm waiting on Bullinox to give me a little bit more information. So Bullinox has given me the accounts. I have 3 accounts that I'm going to do as a giveaway. But I'm waiting for one piece of information from them. So that way I can actually set up how I'm going to give them away. Because right now I have the accounts and they're all linked together. And I'm like, I'm not going to give away all 3 to one person. Like, I need to separate them. So I'm asking them to separate them for me. Once they separate them for me and I have the ability to give away 3 of them separately, then I'm going to do the giveaway. And I'm hoping to do the giveaway. I'd like to do the giveaway like this Friday. Kind of build up to it. 3rd hour of the market open. Asian volume kicks in. Almost always gets type 1. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Stuart. Yeah, I've been talking to them. Basically, on my option stream. Yeah, I think I'm going to do it on my option stream. I got to figure out, once I get if they tell me, oh no, you have to give them all 3 away to the same person, I'm going to be like, how am I going to do that? Right? So I got to figure out what to do there. So and of course they're not open today, so I can't get the last piece of information that I need. I will figure it out. Either way, I'm going to give these accounts away. But that code that I have there, the 83% discount code, I took the information from that code, from basically people using that code, and showed them data that said, listen, people are watching the stream and they're purchasing Bullinox accounts. Can you give me a couple to give away, please? And they said yes. They actually said yes. So we're good. We're good. They're going to be free and clear. Once I give them away, they're going to be the persons. There is a caveat, though. There is a caveat, which I really hate, but there's nothing I can do about it. And I'm going to have to make sure to put this as a disclaimer to anybody who receives the account. The way it's going to work is you get the account for free the first month. And it's the month, I think it's going to probably expire. The account will naturally expire in February, the end of February. If you don't pass the account, they will automatically renew it for you and charge you full price, which I think sucks. So, once you get the account, it basically becomes your account. And then it'll be just normal like anybody else, right? So then if you pass it, you would have to spend the money to activate it, right? Because it's basically just a free qualification account. You pass it, you activate it, you pay for that activation, it'll be free and clear. But if you don't pass it, then it will renew at full price. And full price is like $150. And that sucks. That sucks. So I'm going to say, whoever gets these accounts, if you haven't passed it in 30 days, you need to blow it. You need to blow it and get rid of it, because they're going to charge you a lot of money to renew it. So that's makes me nervous. Still on Bullinox. I do want to go to Top Step. Yeah, I'm in a bit of between a rock and a hard place when it comes to Bullinox and Top Step. Right now, I'm on Bullinox with this account, and they're getting ready to switch from Top Step. From Project X to Rhythmic, and I really don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. So I'm highly considering going. I've had 2 Top Step accounts, and unfortunately I didn't pass either one. But
welcome to the crew. It's Captain Pinkbeard. How's it going?
Stuart, welcome to the crew, my friend. Thanks for the sub. Welcome in. Yeah, dude, that's sick, dude. I appreciate it. I appreciate the sub. Welcome in, my friend. Welcome in. Welcome to the crew. Oh, I love it. I love that because it's such a surprise. I'm not expecting it. That's the best part. I'm like, what's that sound? I love that. But the accounts, they are yeah, welcome back, I should say. Yeah, that's what I meant. Did you unsub and resub? Because that's funny if you did. I'm cool with that. If you guys want to unsub and resub just to get that animation, you're more than welcome to. I'm fine with that. I don't care. That's sick. Yeah. For a second there, I was like, wait a minute, you already subbed. Wait, what? So yeah, but the Top Step, I really like their Top Step. The $90 account where it's already, you don't have to pay for an activation fee. That to me is really attractive, but it's still $90. $90 as opposed to like 50 or 25 or anything like that. So I don't know. I'm very torn about what to do with between Top Step and Bullinox. You know, I do a lot of testing on Bullinox because its accounts are cheap, right? If I blow this account, it was $12. Yeah. No, yeah, unfortunately, Top Step never puts out discount codes. Never. They've only done it once, and they did it because there was an outage, and so they gave away some accounts, and you can sign up and stuff like that. I took advantage of that. I think I got an account for like $35 or something. But you love Top Step, so easy with them. And the new thing, you don't have to pay an activation fee, is awesome. Yeah. And I really want to trade that account. I've been thinking about it for like 2 weeks. I'm tired of spending money on prop firms. Especially $90, man. If you don't pass that account, that's $90. That's out. So I don't know. I've been back and forth about it. I haven't made up my mind what I'm gonna do. I haven't made up my mind, and I need to.
Welcome to the crew. It's Captain Pinkbeard. How's it going?
I never get.
Welcome to the crew. It's Captain Pinkbeard. How's it going?
Chris, welcome back. Danny, welcome in. Danny, welcome in. Oh, that's funny. Welcome in or welcome back. One of the two. Either way. I hope you guys enjoy that. Have fun with that. Yeah. Oh, that's good stuff, isn't it? That's what I worked on this weekend. Oh, it's too fun. Didn't work past 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm not sure. If you're going to go to a Top Step, make sure you blow the account after your 4th payout. Interesting. Is that because you don't want to get moved to live? I mean, I've never gotten a payout on Top Step, so I don't even know. I don't know anything really about how they pay out. I've heard it's really good. I heard you can do weekly and maybe even daily payouts. Oh, that's good, Danny. No, I appreciate it, my friend. I appreciate it. Yeah. No, that's good. You just cycle accounts, I see. So you blow it, you trade it, Zuma, and then you blow it after your 4th payout, and then you buy a new one? So you're basically giving back, what, $90 or whatever, of whatever your payout is? Is that how you're doing it? How do you feel about like sometimes you do it after your third payout just to mix up? Interesting. Interesting. So what's your reasoning for doing that? Are you doing that just to stay away from getting moved to live? Yeah, I'm just trying to figure it out. Hang on, I gotta clear my throat. Yeah, I've heard that too from Dan. Because he has his system works really well. He'll have 3 accounts and he'll copy trade across all 3. So he'll take one trade, make $100, but he actually makes 300. And then they closed his extra accounts and moved him to one live account. That sucks. That kills his strategy. I don't know how he's surviving with that right now. That really sucks. They literally cut his pay in like by 2/3. Is that what Dan's doing now? Is he purposely blowing them after a certain amount of time? Yeah, they will get you. That's another idea, Stuart, is to have a personal account. If you're good at trading and you can make money and you have a personal account, you could trade it. I don't know about that though. That's something I couldn't speak on. So I do a personal account with options, not with futures. I've done it with futures before. It's a hell of a lot more stressful. Yeah, I understand that, Stuart. Yeah, sometimes I think brokers might not even approve you to do that if you don't have a certain amount of capital. If you're not starting with a certain amount, they might not even give you the ability to trade futures. Well, NQ definitely rejected off that level. Maybe we can get a small to medium red closure here for a reversal. But knowing NQ, it's probably going to melt all the way back down to support on this candle, which would suck. Yeah, that's true. I agree, Zuma. Anyways, I was saying here about this. Here's the evidence. I put this in the Discord. Here's the evidence directly from Bullinox that I've got the accounts. We give you a free promo code, free accounts giveaway to your subscribers. There it is right there. Test a new strat in ranging markets. That's right. See if NQ can give us a nice reversal here. Bounce off resistance would be nice. Dang, Stuart, that's sick, man. Wow. Yeah, I like it. If you want to learn options, Zuma, I can help you turn your money into more money. My Friday streams would go through it, if you've watched it or not. Yeah, NQ does 50 ticks, no problem, that's true. If NQ should just stay right here. Don't move. Stay right there. Last time I put the poo on the screen, it worked. Let's put the poo on the screen again. NQ, stay there. Don't dip into the poo. Stay right there. Last time this happened, it actually took a little sniff. It took a little sniff of the poo and then it reversed. It didn't like it. See? You see? Oh, NQ. NQ took a sniff of the poo and it said, hell no. I don't want this. It took a little sniff. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. It's so good. Oh, man. Oh, jeez. This is the best ever. This is how you do it right here. This is how you trade. Market maker right here, yeah. Oh, stay right there, NQ. Don't melt into the poo, you sick individual. Oh, it was so funny. It got you see how it rejected? It was so offended. It was so offended. Oh, it's taking a little sniff now. I don't like what it's doing. Come on, NQ. Have some decency for yourself. Have some decency. Don't do it. Timestamp. Yeah, I'm going to do a YouTube short on that for sure. Absolutely. It was so good. It's getting into it now. You're nasty, NQ. I don't know if I want to trade you now, you nasty. You nasty, nasty dude. It's so funny. I'm gonna be known for that in the market. Yeah. But yeah. I'm gonna be known for my poo strat, my bacon strat, turkey leg. Oh. I'm sure people like Tory Trades are watching me right now and they're like, what the hell? Can't take this guy seriously. He looks like a dude from Russia and he's trading in the poo. Can you imagine real serious traders out there come across my video, me trading like a pink bearded pirate, and this? They probably think I'm just a joke. You can't take yourself too seriously though. You just can't. And if you don't have fun with it, there's no point in doing it. We are. Yeah, we are. Exactly, Stuart. I meant like TJR and all these freaking whatever people. Million sub YouTubers or whatever. I don't know. I don't know if anybody takes that dude seriously anyways, but Warren Buffett's gonna come across this strat and making more money. Yeah, boring. I think is a better way to put it. Not serious. Boring traders. Oh, I appreciate it, Stuart. Yeah, yeah. I do have a unique way of doing things. That's for sure. Not saying it's better, but it's definitely unique. How do you scare a deaf person? Unique up on them. It's dumb. It's a dumb joke. Need a better dad joke. Why did the cookie cry? Because his mother was away for so long? Oh my gosh. Look, the poo strat's working, guys. The poo strat is keeping NQ on its best behavior. Maybe I might have offended it a little too much. Yeah, like as Stream Element said, thumbs up for the poo strat. Yeah, the poo is a little too big. Maybe we shrink it down. There you go. Not so bad. This is so stupid. Look! It's coming back down. It's not as offensive. It's a finicky thing, this NQ. The candle open, you need to apply the bacon. Yeah. Yeah, the bacon strat works well with the second mouse gets the cheese strat. Why do French military tanks have rear view mirrors? So they can see the battlefield? Oh, that's funny. That's funny. I like that. I like that. I didn't know you were here, Dad. Good to see you. Yeah. Your son is doing ridiculous things with poo on stream. I got that joke from you. You probably recognize when I said the unique up on him. Okay, I gotta get the poo off here because it's a little too much. I took it away. Going to sleep? Sounds good, Zuma. Good to see you. Yeah. Bonjour. Oui, oui. We flee from the battlefield. NQ is going the wrong way now. I scared it away. Scared it away. Come back down. Maybe I put it on the other side. No. No. Exactly, Stuart. Yeah. I'm a professional trader, guys. The evidence is on screen. I'm kidding. I'm just having fun with it. Come on, NQ. Turn around. Close red. Close red. Stay right there. Maybe a little bit more. Go a little bit more. It's working. Oh, this is funny. I can't believe this is working. This is so dumb. Oh. Turn around. Stay there. A little bit more. Don't close like that. Please don't close like that. That's garbage. I need more red. I need more red. It's too small red. Come on. Close like right here. Close right here. We got like 16 seconds. And Q, get down there. Get down there. Close like right here. Come on. Ah, that's no good. These markets are not participating today. I needed that red to be bigger. Oh, now it's going. Really? Now it's going. Ah! That's not what I wanted. Wife, just walk back to your office and what the hell are you laughing at? I'm sorry, Stuart. I said Seth. She rolled her eyes and walked away. Yes. Oh, that's good. I appreciate that. Oh, yeah. I'm glad that she's a fan. I'm glad that she's a fan. That's too funny, man. That's really funny, Stuart. I'm glad that you get to watch and trade at work, too. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like that. That's funny. That's really funny. That she rolled your eye. I have to tell my wife that story. She'll probably roll her eyes at me, too. Why are they always rolling their eyes at us? Why? It's not fair. It's not fair. That's right. That's right. I'm slowly losing it. Because I see nothing in the market. In the Russia, you do not drive car. Car drive you. You did not fly airplane in Russia. Airplane fly you. Boris, keep your head down. There's mortars coming in. Oh, like I always tell my dad, he'll say, I'm losing my mind. And I say, you can't lose something you never had. And that's where I'm at right now. Yeah, I do. I don't know. These markets are garbage. Vlad, where is the vodka? It is being used to keep us warm. Gold is absolutely dead today. Nothing. It's moving sideways. Had a big pop. It moved a lot. Look at that. It was at 4,600 and popped all the way up there. And then now it's just flat. Yeah, you don't... Yeah, exactly, Stuart. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. It's funny. This NQ, this strat right here, if these two candles were down here, we'd be in business for something. But because they're up here at resistance, that's no good. That's no good. Can't do it. Got nothing. Got absolutely nothing. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Yes, TikTok, I'm still alive. And here. Unable to verify. Come on, TikTok, you suck. To drag a puzzle piece to make sure to tell it I'm human. If there's TikTok has this thing where, first of all, it's not telling me. I don't hear anything, right? So I just have to guess this is happening. But it thinks that I'm not here. So I have to take a puzzle piece and drag it in to complete the puzzle, or it ends the live automatically. Whoever designed TikTok needs to be... No, I'm not gonna say it. Not gonna say it. Not gonna say it. $33,000 likes on the TikTok. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, Alex. You're crushing it, dude. You have like one of those little robots that are just tapping the screen? That's awesome. I love it, Alex. I appreciate it. Yeah, make a little motor with a rotation and make it click faster. That's funny, Chris. Yeah, how is it like a... I remember from an old movie or something. There's a little button that like does this and just pushes to keep the keyboard alive to let people know you're still there, like in a meeting. Yeah, more likes is what we need. I know. I know. I'm actually right now getting, I think I crossed over 40,000 views on the channel, which is absolutely insane. And once I hit 500 subscribers, YouTube moves me into the next bracket. Right now I'm in the nobody knows me, brand new, basically have 1 subscriber bracket. And once you hit 500, then they move you into the next. And what happens next is in the 500, after 500 subs, they unlock, for my channel, they'll unlock memberships and super chats, which I think is cool. And I think I have to have 4,000 watch hours, which right now I'm about 2,000, which is insane. Every hour that you guys watch the channel adds to that goal. So if I have like 3 people here watching for an hour, that's 3 hours. That adds up. It really does add. It adds up. So every time you guys hang around and watch the stream, even on the rewatch, that time, yeah, rewatches count. Absolutely, Stuart. Yeah, rewatches count. So they now NQ's reversing. Schmuck. But I just don't have a setup here. I just don't have a setup. But yeah, the rewatches count, and the signals that YouTube looks for are engagement, rewatches, likes and stuff are, but they're like the lowest form of engagement. Comments, shares, all those are like big signals. If you share the YouTube with somebody that wasn't on YouTube, if they were on Netflix or they were on Facebook or something, and they click on it and they come over to YouTube and then they watch for a certain amount of time, that's like the golden signal for YouTube, because you were able to bring somebody to the channel that wasn't even on the channel, was somewhere else. That's like the golden signal for YouTube. It's crazy. Everybody's always worried about subscribers. Subscribers don't mean anything. They don't mean anything. Not the subscribers, the metric. The subscriber metric is just a milestone. It's a milestone for YouTube to move you into the next bracket. Yeah. So if people who have like 50,000 subscribers, well, here's how you have to look at it. How many of those subscribers are actually active? Because if you have 50,000 subscribers, but you only have 500 people that show up to your stream every day, that's 1%. 1% of your audience is active. That's really bad. It looks really bad. So having multiple subscribers like that doesn't mean anything. What's more is if you had 1,000 subscribers and you had 500 people show up to your stream every day, that's 50%. That is good. So that's what's more important to YouTube, is those metrics, but then also of those subscribers, how many people are actually active. how many people are interacting with your stream, how many people are leaving comments on your videos, how many people are sharing your videos. Those are the metrics that YouTube's actually measuring. Nobody talks about it. You don't hear Mr. Beast talk about, oh, I got 12 comments on this video today, or 1,200 comments, or, oh, I got 75 shares in the first 10 minutes. No, they don't talk about that. It's, oh, I've got 500 million subscribers. Okay, but how many of those people are actually there and active? It's like, think about like a concert. We sold 50,000 tickets. Then you start the show and you look out and there's only 100 people in the crowd. But we sold 50,000 tickets. Yeah, but only 100 showed up. Okay. Like, that's not good. So that's how they measure it. That's how YouTube does it. In case you guys are curious. There you go, Al. Stream Elements is listening. Stream Elements is listening. You see that? Stream Elements. You sneaky. You're sneaky. You're not even supposed to know what I'm talking about, but you did. Yeah. So there you go. There, if you're curious, a little bit of YouTube behind the scenes. Yeah, they're always listening. That's right. Because I was doing some research on the likes, especially on TikTok, and I was like, I asked AI, I said, I got 1 or 2 people who will come into chat and give me like 50,000 likes in one day. Talking about you, Alex, and you, Chris. And I said, what does that mean? Is that good? Does TikTok like that? Like, just give me some information, right? And AI was basically like, the YouTube or the TikTok algorithm, it, how do I put it? It doesn't score like a fan, 1 or 2 fans who like your stream, like are really excited about you or whatever it is, right? It doesn't score that very highly. I'm like, really? That sucks. Are you kidding me? TikTok's a weird place, dude. TikTok's a weird place. Because I think here on YouTube, you can't do that, right? You can't get 30,000 likes on one video. You just can't do it. You can hit the little heart button, but I don't think it means anything. But on TikTok, you can smash the like button for 2 hours straight, and that's supposed to, yeah, there you go. You guys are doing it now. That's supposed to send a signal out and bring more people into the stream, but it doesn't seem like it does. I don't know. TikTok's a weird place. I call it TikToxic. It's a very confusing place. I understand YouTube really well, but I don't quite understand how TikTok does their measurements and everything. So we'll see. We'll see if it works, Alex and Chris. I appreciate it. Don't get me wrong. I really appreciate it. There's no, from me, not TikTok, but from me, it means the world. It does. It means the world. But yeah, I can't barely spell it either. Call it TikToxic. We'll see if we get anything in the next 15 minutes. But these markets are looking a little shady today. Gold is absolutely a no-go, which I already knew. But I wanted to see what NQ was going to do today. And it did. It did have a nice little reversal. But not quite how I wanted it to happen. So we'll see. See what happens in the next 15. Yeah, it's good. Either way, I appreciate you guys being here. Even if one person was to show up to the stream, one person, I would still turn on the camera. Wow, what a terrible closure, NQ. Garbage. Yeah. Gold looked like it woke up a little bit, but I don't know. Maybe not. Yeah, NQ just died. Don't ban me TikTok for saying that word. Oh, don't you know? That's your friend there in the wood chipper? TikTok, they're triggered. They're woke. They have certain words that you can't say. It's dumb. Like when you go to a casino and you partake in that, starts with a G, you can't say that. They'll shut down your TikTok for that. Oh, don't you know? That's your friend in the wood chipper. Yeah. Yeah, no, I wouldn't have it unless I'm doing this. Cuz it's a weird place, man. But there's a lot of people there, so, and there's a lot of traders there too. Man, this market sucks. I don't, even if this candle did something, I just don't see what is going to happen. This market is crap. Yeah, I'm not seeing any trades at all. I mean, gold's got a little bit of movement there, but I mean, I just don't see if it's gonna actually start moving or not.
Welcome to the crew. It's Captain Pinkbeard. How's it going?
Cameron, welcome to the crew. Welcome to the crew. Welcome in, welcome in. Hogs, lean hogs? Yeah, I don't know. I haven't looked at lean hogs in a while. The market's closed. Lean hogs is closed. You can't trade the bacon today. Wow, it really moved. Look at that. Wonder what silver's up to. Oh yeah. Silver's doing the same thing. 93. Goodness. Yeah, exactly, Stuart. Man, I remember when silver was in its 30s, not that long ago. Look how much it moved over the weekend. It was around 80-ish, 88. Wow. What's crazy about silver is the lot size is way bigger. It's 5 times, it's worth, when you do the trade, it's worth 5 times as much than gold. Gold's worth $1 per tick, and if I'm not mistaken, silver's worth $5 per tick. You trade micro silver? Is it MSI? What is micro? Oh, SIL. Ah. Wait a minute. Maybe not on Bullinox. SIH is all I'm seeing. Depends on the broker. Yeah, I'm only seeing SIH. Interesting. On Top Step, okay. Yeah, I need to switch to Top Step. Platinum and palladium. What's platinum doing? Platinum's melting. Super choppy still. What about palladium? One tick. $5 on sales, one tick. That's crazy, man. Interestingly, platinum and palladium seem to be moving separately. I should watch those markets too. Look, you can trade Nike. No, I'm kidding. Interesting. $5 per tick is crazy. Am I on a challenge? No. No, I'm not. I thought about it, but I don't know. I don't know how that works. Is that tied? I've seen people do like silver challenges. Is that something you have to do, or is it just for fun? Like, do they have it? Is there like a silver challenge built into a broker or something? Or is it just people just having fun doing their own thing? What's going on, Christian Lander? On TikTok? Oh, I see. Yes, yeah. It's a challenge account. Yep. Yeah. It's not doing great. I might dump it. I don't know. It was a cheap account. Paid like $13 for it. I'm still trying to decide. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Full port, yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I want to switch to Top Step, but I like the fact that Bullinox has cheap accounts, and it's fun to it's less stressful when you've paid less for the account. When you paid $13 for the account, you're kind of like, yeah. But then when you pay $90 for the account or more, you're like, ah. So I don't know. I'm trying to decide what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm in two minds about it. Because I got funded and was funded on Bullinox, 2 accounts in October, the end of October. Shared is carried, yeah. And then I blew both of those accounts because I went on tilt. And I just, since then, haven't really decided what I want to do. ¿Cómo estás, Juan? Bien, doing good. How you doing, my friend? Good to see you. Buenos dias, mi amigo. Or buenos noches, depending on where you're at. ¿Cómo se dice blown account? Kidding. Yeah. Que pedo, Juan. You're a regular Don Juan. Well, actually, I'm a regular Don Juan. The ladies Don Juan anything to do with me. Let's see. Do we have anything to trade today? What about Bitcoin? What's Bitcoin up to? Bitcoin. Pez has quantum leaped. Bitcoin's at 93,000. 200, yeah, sick, man. 200 times. You're 100% Don Juan. Dad jokes for days, that's right. Got my helmet, my special helmet. Got my special helmet. So I can't get hurt in the markets. The markets are brutal. You have to put a helmet on to keep yourself safe for when NQ wants to throw you out the window because you're going 100 miles an hour like on NASCAR, and it throws you out the window and tosses you and you get run over by the last guy, but at least you got a helmet on. At least you got a helmet on. Follow for more. Follow for more. Trader losing his mind on stream. Oh my goodness. I don't see anything. No. Oh, like a gold woke up. Gold's on the move. Yeah, no kidding. You know, this is what I love about options. I don't have to sit here in front of the charts for 2 hours. I just go in there, I put in my orders, and I walk away. It's so much easier. Future sucks. What's your win rate? 65%. Who was it? I can't remember. Somebody in here had a win rate, and they got 99%. Oh, Stuart, 24%. Yikes. And they said, I'm never doing win rate again because I got 99%. I can't remember who that was. Maybe it was Algo. I can't remember. I can't remember who that was. Was it you, Stuart? Oh, okay. Sick, man. I remember that. I just didn't remember who it was. It was, you said you were never going to do it again. Because now you got 24%. I'm sorry. Maybe it's changed. Maybe you had 99%, now you have 24%. Oh, it's too funny. Did you guys know I was in a movie? Yeah, of course I remembered, yeah. I starred in a movie. Check it out if you want to see me when I was 23 or 24. 1%, Chris. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm not seeing anything. Gold kind of woke up a little bit, but I've been streaming for 1 day and 12 hours. Ah, okay. I see what that metric is now. Because I've been like, how is it, where's it coming up with this information, right? Obviously, I haven't been streaming for 12 hours, 1 day and 12 hours. When I created the live stream and put it out where you can like see it ahead of time, that's when it starts the timer. I see. But it's good to do that because then people can be notified and stuff. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, what's my win rate? It's probably 50. I'm going to guess 67%. You ready? Oh, I'll take 84. I'll take 84. It's not bad. That's pretty good. I like that. I was guessing 6-7. Ay, these markets. Oh, I don't see anything. It's driving me nuts. I don't know if I can continue. I can't continue because these markets are shut. Markets are shut. I look like an Eskimo. A ghost walks in a bar, asks for a glass of vodka. But the bartender says, sorry, we don't serve spirits. I like that. I like that. It's my heart. It's my heart. All right. I just want to say, oh, my lights are turning off. My lights are telling me. My lights are telling me it's time to stop streaming. Yeah. All right, I guess I should stop streaming. A sign. Yes. So I'm going to thank my top fans for the day. Tiger Mountain King, a.k.a. Da, was here for a little bit. Appreciate You, as always. Puck was in for a bit. Appreciate you, my friend. Good to talk to you. Danny, welcome back to the crew. Welcome back to the crew. Juan, good to see you for a little bit. I know you just came in, but I need to preserve my mental capital here. Zuma was in for a bit. Good to see you. Appreciate you. Alex, as always, man, crushing it on TikTok, crushing it on the YouTube. 46,000 likes on TikTok. I appreciate it, man. What's going on, Stud Breezy? Good to see you. How you doing? Okay. Chris, as always, appreciate Chris. Thank you for the dono, Chris. Appreciate the 4. Yeah, man, you're a legend. I appreciate it, man. I'm hoping you're getting some good stuff out of the options. Feel free to, if you have any questions or whatever, you know, feel free to hit me up in the Elite Navigators group. Let's see. Stream Elements has got some chats, but Stuart, you today are the top fan. You've had the most chats, Stuart. Yeah. Yep. Stuart wins the day. Stuart wins the day. Awesome. Yeah, have a great day. Yep, exactly. Yeah, I can't wait to start the paper options. Sounds good. Yeah, you were here the whole time, Puck. You were the first one in. You were the first one in, my friend. Yeah, you got the number 1 there, Stuart. That's what YouTube decided was who was the top dog was Stuart. But Puck was here first. Puck was here first. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yes. Oh, it's your living room? That's cool. I'm surprised that you still watch this ridiculousness. Somebody who's completely lost it. I've lost it. Trading is melting my brain. Right? Oh, that's so good. So good. My lights turned off. They told me to stop streaming. Okay. I deserve it. I appreciate it, Stuart. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Yeah, I'm looking forward to doing options on Friday and these account giveaways. Keep an eye out. I'm going to probably post in the Discord what... I don't know if you can take me seriously right now. I'm going to post in the Discord what is going to happen with the accounts. Okay? So I will say keep an eye out in the Discord and you will get more information about the giveaway accounts. I believe it, Stuart. Yeah. Yeah, and your wife's probably like, oh my gosh, you're watching him again? You could be doing better things with your life. He's probably like, your brain is melting every time you turn on that stream. You gotta stop. Oh, you guys are gonna clip it, and then you're gonna post it, and then I'm gonna never unsee it. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Can I get it in here? Can I get it in here? I don't know. Awesome. She's often... That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's good. All right. Well, catch up with me in the Discord. Do me a favor, too, after this stream posts, if you could. Leave a comment. Tell me, I don't know, tell me one thing that you've learned from me. That's your question of the day. What's one thing that you've learned from me? Good or bad? Well, hopefully not bad, but just one thing. Wife says, rarely is this serious? So I say to her, no is money. Yeah, I hear you. Absolutely, Juan. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, exactly. Tell her that the word of the day is nacho. What I do on stream is nacho business. That's what you should tell her. Ah! Okay, I better sign off before I still have a few little bit left of my sanity. Yeah. Not your business, lady. All right, cool. All right, I'll see you guys in the Discord and drop a comment afterwards. Let me know something that you've learned from me. I'd appreciate that. Take it easy, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. And yeah, nacho man. And we'll go from there. Awesome.